Hello, welcome to the latest video from the financial market playlist. Finally, we're going to speak about cryptocurrencies. And yeah, let's go to it. The cryptocurrency, it's a newest type of currency that appeared, in this case digital currencies, and it serves and use the cryptography to provide a secure payment system. The main difference is that when you make a transaction, you don't need a third party like institution or central bank to control and verify this transfer of funds. Instead, it's going to be made through encryption techniques that are going to serve to regulate, the generation of this money. So they are a type of digital currencies, and they don't exist, in the physical form, but they do exist, in exchange currencies, and they are backed sometimes, by fiat funds, like for example dollars or euros or gold or stuff like that. But this for the exchange. It's another thing. So initially, of course, the first one it was the Bitcoin, which was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, and right now at the same time is I would say the most powerful one. No, it's the most powerful one. It's the king among the cryptocurrencies. For how long? I don't know, but I do expect in the near future to be overthrown. This king. You have to think of it. It's going to be like digital gold. Bitcoin is the digital gold, and I would say it's a very very good form of investment of a long period of time, as long as you have the patience. So right now there are hundreds of coins, hundreds I don't know, but tokens there are thousands for sure. But I don't know. Yeah, but there are many of them. You have a very very big variety. You can also trade against fiat, like for example trade against USD or Euro, but you can also trade against them. You can trade, for example, ATH against BTC or ADA BTC, not just ADA USD. Yeah. The characteristic, like I said, the cryptography, the decentralization. However, there are some of them, like for example BNB or XRP or stuff like that, which they are actually controlled by an institution. But there is no possibility of forgery or duplication. There are no intermediaries. The transactions are finite. That means they cannot be irreversible. Once it's made, you can do nothing against that unless it's on a broker. You can contact the broker and it was an irregularity, and maybe then. But otherwise, if you have a cold store and you send to a cold store, you cannot reverse that one. So and of course, they have a big privacy. Like for example, you have Monero, which in the entire purpose is to hide. Like all of them they have different type of purposes, of course. Now, advantage and disadvantages. Like I said, they have very low transaction cost. Like because we are not using these intermediaries, they are secure, they are transparent. Yeah. Here is being put as a disadvantage, but at the same time it can be made as an advantage because people are making money based on this volatility that it has, which is the biggest among all the financial markets. And the problem that it has is that the government and the central banks, they are kind of against it, and they are trying to do their best to regulate it and screw them up, to say like this, because they don't want to lose their power over their fiat money, and this is a big threat against that. So they will do whatever they have in their power, to do something against this. However, we will see in the future how it's going to play out. For now, like for example, if we take a look at BTC USD, we can see that for the last years it's been in a continuous trend, and it's going to continue to be in a continuous uptrend. So think about it. Very very big. Like I said, it's the biggest, it's the best asset of the last decade. So it was considered the best asset, among them all. Imagine here in 2015 it cost $50, and now it cost the other day it costed 50,000. So we do the math. It's amazing. So this is what we have regarding the cryptocurrencies. Like I said, you have the brokers, you have physical places as well where you can store them. But I don't think that's the point of this. Since we are going to be speaking about a trading point of view, most of you are going to use brokers: Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, and so on. So thank you for watching. I hope you kind of enjoyed this small series, I would say, of the financial market. I had just to make it, because it was there. More details, however, you can find it in my blog regarding them, as well in the Google. If you look in the Google, if you want this type of information, I'm here more to give you the the best part, of all of this, and I don't want to bore you with full details and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you with the next series, which is going to be, give me a moment, here, I have here made. The next series is going to be yeah, the types of analysis that we have, fundamental and technical analysis. So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.